Right then, 2021 T6.1 in for a factory barn door low line reversing camera. Let's take a look. So, barn door, obviously different to tailgate because you've got the very central area that the camera would normally get fitted. So if this had been fitted with a camera from factory, VW would fit it in the grab bar here, but in this central area between the number plate lights. Now that's all well and good, however it gives you a really distorted, well you'd be right off to the left of the vehicle, and it'll give you a real distorted view of what's behind you and where the centre of your van stuff is. So what we decided a long time ago is that we would go with fitting the camera as far over to the centre as we can possibly get it, the same way we do the aftermarket cameras and things that we fit. So it's right over, you can actually see in the image when we have a look, you can see the center line of the doors in the image. So even though you're slightly over, you can still see the center of your vehicle. So, that's important that if you had a tow bar that is obviously going to be center, you would be able to see that nice and clearly still in that image rather than it being right over to one side. So now let's jump in the van and go and have a look. Right then, so being a low line reversing camera, the camera only works off reverse gear because it's picking up on that reverse signal from the rear light. And then as you can see, that's the center line of the doors I was talking about. So, if you had a tow bar just here, you would still be able to see it rather than being right over to one side. So rear sensors are still working, obviously, because it's still got the parking system, and fronts as well, because it's got front and rear sensors. So sensors still work, it's just that the camera goes on and off with that reverse signal rather than staying on as if it was a high line. And the other difference is obviously being a low line is that these guidelines are fixed, but that's not a problem because you can see the width of your van and things, and also you've got your parking sensors as well. So that's about it really. This is a 2021 T6.1 for a factory low line reversing camera on a barn door. So if you've got a van like this or a car that you'd like us to fit anything else into, then give us a shout, fill out the contact form, give us all the information about the car and things so we know what it's already got and what it can have, and then we'll go from there. In the meantime, make sure you like and subscribe and share the videos and things, and we'll see you again in the next one. Thanks for watching.